Hello friends, today we will study chapter 9 of standard 9, surface area and volume. Now in this chapter we are going to see some three-dimensional figures. Three-dimensional figures means the figure has three dimensions: length, breadth and height. Now you have seen a box or any container. That container has three dimensions: length, breadth and height of the container. So that is called as your three-dimensional figure. Now first three-dimensional figure which we will study is cube. The figure is as shown here. Now this cube, have you seen Rubik's cube? It is like this. Cube has all the dimensions of same size. This means length is same as breadth is same as height. So if you take a square, two squares and join them, then you will see a cube. Okay? So for cube, all the dimensions are same. Hence, this is length, which is L. This is breadth, we will take it as L. And this is height, that is also, we will take it as L. Okay? So for cube, length equal to breadth equal to height equal to L. Okay? Now we will study three important formulas related to cube. First is area of vertical faces of cube. Area means it is multiplication of two quantities, length, breadth or breadth, height, as the case may be. So vertical faces, उभे, vertical म्हणजे उभे. Okay, vertical faces are, for a cube you have four vertical faces. Now we will again consider this Rubik's cube. The vertical faces are, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3 and this is 4. So we have four vertical faces. Length into breadth is going to be the area, but for cube all the dimensions are same. So 4 times length square is area of vertical faces. Why have we taken 4? Because we have 4 vertical faces. It is very simple. Now total surface area. Total means all the faces you have to consider. So for cube we have 4 vertical faces, top one face and bottom one face. So total 6 faces we have. So total surface area is 6L square. Okay? And volume of the cube is L cube. Volume generally tells you how much material or how much quantity you can keep in that container. So volume of the cube is given as L cube. Now we will go to units. If length and breadth is given in meter or centimeter, you will take the area as centimeter square or meter square as the dimensions are given. Total surface area, same formula, centimeter square or meter square. For volume, we are multiplying it 3 times. So unit will be centimeter cube or meter cube. It is also called cubic centimeter, cubic meter. Okay, so please note down the formulas. Now we will refer to the second two-dimensional figure. It is cuboid. Second three-dimensional figure is cuboid. Here it is in the form of box. You have seen any box where length is different, breadth is different and height is different. Okay. So here let us consider length as L, breadth as B, height as H. Now for a cuboid we will take an example of this duster. This is the length, this is the breadth and this is the height. Okay. All the dimensions are of different values. Okay. Length is bigger, breadth is a little bit smaller, height is in between length and breadth. So this is your cuboid. Okay. Now area of vertical faces. We have 4 vertical faces again for a cuboid. So the formula for area of vertical faces is given as 2 times L plus B into H. Okay. Length 2 times, breadth 2 times, height only once. Length plus breadth into height. Okay. Now we will see total surface area. Total we have 6 surfaces, top 1, bottom 1 and 4 vertical. So total surface area is given as 2 times length plus breadth, breadth plus height, length plus height. And volume. Volume means how much content and how much material we can put in a cuboidal shaped box, that is volume. So you can go for capacity of the cuboid and that is given as L into B into H. Now we will see the units. This is area. So units will be centimeter square or meter square as the dimensions are given to you. Again this is an area. So centimeter square or meter square. And this is volume multiplication of 3 quantities. So unit will be centimeter cube or meter cube. Chalo, take down fatafat. Okay, now we will study practice exercise at 9.1. First sum. First I will read out the sum for you. Length, breadth and height of cuboidal shaped box. We'll mark this word cuboidal. So the shape is in the form of cuboid. Cuboidal shaped box is 20 centimeter. Length is 20. Breadth is 12. Height is 10 centimeter respectively. So we will quickly draw cuboid. Length 20 centimeter. Breadth 12 centimeter. Height 10 centimeter. When we mark the dimensions on the figure, we get a clean and clear idea about the dimensions. Now, we have to find 2 things. Find surface area of vertical faces and total surface area. Both the formulas we have just seen a few minutes earlier. So now, first we will write the given dimensions. Length, we will take the variable for length as L and that is 20 centimeter. Breadth B 10 centimeter. Height H, breadth is 12 centimeter and height is 10 centimeter. Okay. Now we will first go for surface area of vertical faces. So here I will write surface area of vertical faces. Just now we have seen the formula. So first we will write the formula for surface area of vertical faces. It is 2 L plus B into H. The shape is cuboid. So we will refer all the formulas of cuboid. So now L means length, B means breadth, H means height. We will quickly fill the values here. L, it is 20. B, it is 12. into h, it is 10. The calculation is very simple. Now, in previous classes you have studied, first we will have to solve the bracket. So 2 times 20 plus 12 will give you 32 into 10. Now all this is multiplication. So 32 into 2 will give you 64. 64 into 10, just 640. Now unit. All the dimensions are given in centimeter. So this is area. So unit will be centimeter square. Okay. What we have done? Surface area of vertical faces. This is the formula for it, which we have studied earlier. Then we will fill the values and then we will calculate the answer. So surface area of vertical faces is 640 centimeter square. Okay, please note it down. Okay, now we will come to the second part of the question. The second part, we have to calculate total surface area. It is cuboid. Dimensions I have written it. Total surface area is given by the formula 2 LB plus BH plus LH. Okay, so this is the formula for total surface area. Now we will just fill the values here. LB, length, breadth. So 20 into 12 plus 12 into 10 plus 20 into 10. Come on. Now you will have to do the calculation part. First 20 into 12, then 12 into 10, then 20 into 10. We will multiply it, add all the quantities, multiply it by 2, and then you will get the answer as 1120. Now the unit is centimeter, so we will take it as centimeter square. Okay, please note it. Now we will first go to sum number 3, because it is same like sum 1, only the shape is changing. So first I will read out the sum. Exercise 9.1, sum 3. Side of cube is 4.5 centimeter. Now just note it, the shape is cube. Okay. Find surface area of all vertical faces and total surface area. Cube. So 3-dimensional figure is cube. When it comes to cube, you should quickly get striked out that for cube, all the dimensions are same. Okay. So length is same as breadth, is same as height. All the 3 dimensions are same for cube. So here I have drawn a cube with same dimensions. So let us note it down. Length equal to breadth equal to height. For all this, I will take the variable as L equal to 4.5 centimeter. Okay. Now we will have to calculate surface area of all vertical faces and total surface area. Okay. So first, surface area of vertical faces of cube. So first we will write the formula. Formula is very easy for cube. We have 4 vertical faces. We have seen it earlier. So formula is 4L square. Okay. So here 4 into 4.5 square. So how are we going to solve it? First, we will take 4.5 square. We will calculate it in rough part. 4.5 square. Then we will multiply it by 4. So 4.5 square into 4, it will give you 81. Now the unit, it is centimeter, so the unit is 81 centimeter square. Okay, see the calculation part. First, we will calculate 4.5 square. Square means that number multiplied by itself is called as square. So 4.5 into 4.5 is 8, and then you will multiply it by 4. So it is, after you perform the calculation, it will come to 81 centimeter square. Now we will calculate total surface area. I will just make two parts for this. Total surface area of cube. For total surface area, the formula is 6L square. So 6 times, because we have 6 vertical faces, so 6L square. So it is 6 into 4.5 square. So it is 6 into 4.5 square, and after you make the calculation of 6 into 4.5, you will get it as, the unit is centimeter square. Okay, please note it down. Now we will come to question number 2 of a practice exercise 9.1. I am solving each and every question because each and every question is different. Now here, first I will read out the question. Total surface area of box of cuboidal shape. So here I have drawn a cuboid. Here total surface area is given to you as 500 square units. SQ units means square units. So total surface area is given to you as 500 square units. Then breadth and height, both the dimensions are given to you. This is breadth of the cuboid, we will write it here 6. So breadth equal to 6 units. Height of the cuboid, it is given to you. For breadth we will use it B. For height we will use the letter as H. Height is given to you as 5 units. Respectively means as the sequence comes. And we need to find length of the box. This is the length of the box. We have to find it. So we will take it length as L, and this we don't know, so we will give here a question mark. Okay, we have to find it out. But total surface area is given to you, so we will take the formula for total surface area of cuboid. We have just discussed it earlier. Total surface area of all the faces of cuboid, it is given by the formula 2 LB plus BH plus LH. Very good. Okay. Now we will just fill in the values. Total surface area means the left side is given to you as 500 equal to 2. L, it is not given to you, so we will put it as L itself, into B. B is 6 plus B into H. So 6 into 5 plus L into H. So L into 5. Now the calculation part of this sum is a bit different. First we will have to take this 2 on the left hand side. So here this 2 is multiplied here when it comes on the other side, it will be divided. So 500 upon 2 is equal to L into 6 is 6L plus 30 plus 5L. Okay. Now 500 upon 2 means half of 500. Half of 500 is 250. Okay. Is equal to. Now 6L and 5L. These are similar quantities. Okay. We have studied it earlier also in 8th standard. Similar quantities and the addition. So it is 11L plus 30. Now 30 will go on this side because it is a number. All the numbers we are taking on the left hand side, plus 30. When it comes on the other side, it will be minus 30 is equal to 11L. So 250 minus 30 is 220. And now this 11 will, where it is multiplied here, when it comes on the other side, 220 upon 11 is equal to L. So length will be L is equal to 20 and units, because breadth is given in units, height is given in units, so length will be 20 units. Okay, calculation part, we will see it once again. Total surface area of cuboid, we have written the formula 2 times LB plus BH plus LH. Total surface area is given to you, so we will put the value here, 500 equal to 2 times, and we will put the values in the bracket. Now we will have to solve it. First we will take this 2 on the other side, it is multiplied here. When it changes its side, it will be divided. So 500 upon 2 is equal to 6L plus 30 plus 5L. Half of 500 upon 2 means it's just half. Half of 500 is 250. 6L and 5L are similar quantities, so we will add them. It will be 11L. 11L plus 30. 30 will come on the other side. It will be minus. And then this 11 will be divided. And then we will get the answer as 20. So length equal to 20 units. Very simple calculation. Okay? Note it down please. Now we will go to question number 4. Practice exercise 9.1. It is similar to second question. Total surface area of cube. So now the figure is cube. Total surface area is given to you as 5400 centimeter square. And you are required to find surface area of vertical faces. Okay. So first we will go for a cube. Okay. No need for the figure, because here you are not required to find length or breadth or height. Now here we will directly write the formula. Total surface area of cube is equal to, the formula for total surface area of cube is 6L square. For cube, length, breadth, height all are same. Total we have 6 surfaces, so formula is 6L square. Now total surface area is given to you. So 5400 is equal to 6L square. Now just see the calculation part. 6 here is multiplied. So when it comes on the other side, it will be divided. So 5400 upon 6 equal to L square. 6 ones are 6, 6 nines are 54, the 2 zeros are as it is. So 900 equal to L square. No need to calculate L because we are not required. Now we will write the formula for surface area of vertical faces. Surface area of vertical faces of cube. The formula is given as 4L square. So 4, calculation is very simple. L square value we have calculated it here. The value of L square is 900. So 4 into 900. Now just see the calculation part. You will only have to multiply 4 into 9 and the 2 zeros as it is. So surface area of vertical faces of cube is given as 3600. Now we will see the unit area. It is expressed as centimeter square. So here we will write it as surface area of vertical faces of cube is 3600 centimeter square. Okay? Please note it down. Very simple problem. Now we will start with question number 5 of practice exercise 9.1. Here we will require the formula for volume. Okay, volume is the capacity of that three-dimensional figure, whether it is cube or cuboid. Okay, so here volume of cuboid, the shape is cuboid, its volume is given to you as 34.50 meter cube. So here I will note down volume of cuboid equal to 34.50 meter cube. Then breadth and height are given to you. So breadth of cuboid equal to B equal to 1.5 meter and height of cuboid, height is given to you as h equal to 1.15 meter. Okay, we have to find the length. So length of cuboid equal to L, and we will put a question mark here. Okay, now obviously we will take the formula for volume because that quantity is given to you. So here I'll just make two parts. Volume of cuboid is equal to L into B into H. We have seen the formula earlier, very simple formula for cuboid. Volume is given to you. So just put the values in their respective places. So 34.50 is equal to length, we need to calculate it. So we will put it as L. Breadth B, it is given to you as 1.5 and height H 1.15. Now the calculation here is very easy. In spite of decimals, the calculation part is very easy. Just see. First, these two quantities, we will take it on the other side. So it will be divided. So 34.50 divided by 1.5 into 1.15 is equal to L. Now I will write it in simple arithmetic form. 34.50 divided by, this is the sign for division, 1.5 into 1.15 is equal to L. Now first we will remove the decimals and division is reverse multiplication. So see here, 3450 upon 100. After decimal you have two digits, so we will take two zeros in the denominator, divided by, okay, 1.5. So 15 upon 10 into 1.15. So 115 upon 100 is equal to L. Just see carefully. Number of digits after decimal point, that many zeros you have to add at the denominator to remove the decimal points. Now division is reverse multiplication. So if we put here the multiplication sign, we will have to make it reverse, ulta. Okay. So 3450 divided by 100 into 10 upon 15 into 100 upon 115 is equal to L. Now the calculation is very simple. 100 will get cancelled with this. 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10, and when you perform this calculation, you will get 20 is equal to L. You will get the value of L as 20. Okay. So length of the cube, then you will have to write it here. Length of cuboid equal to 20 and the unit given is meter. Okay. Very simple. First, these two quantities, we will take it on the other side. They are multiplied. They will be divided. We will write it in simple mathematical form. And then we will remove the decimal points by taking number of zeros in the denominator. And then we will perform the calculation. Okay. So after you perform it, you will get it length